You want to get rid of those rodents? You don't want to use poisons? I'm going to show you an alternative. Stay tuned for this video. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, howtopest.com. If you've never been to this channel before, guys, and don't know what it's about, I'm going to tell you right now. This is where we highlight professional grade products, and then we show you DIYers how to use them. If that's something that's of interest to you guys, hit that subscribe button down below, and these videos come out multiple times a week. Also, guys, we are going to throw links up in the channel during the video, and you can direct order by punching on those links. Guys, it's YouTube shopping, and it couldn't be any easier. So if you see a product you like, just hit that button. But hey, without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, howtopest.com. Guys, today's video, today's product, I should say, I'm a little fired up about because I get a lot of questions about this.
Oh, rats.
How do I get rid of these rodents, these rats, these mice? I have dogs, cats that get into everything, but I have chickens, free-range chickens. You chicken owners, you want to watch this video because I'm going to tell you a fantastic alternative. And that alternative, guys, is going to be Evolve. Evolve is a birth control product for rodents, for those rodents and mice. It's going to stop them from reproducing without using poisons. So you're going to knock that population way down. Man, let's get into Evolve. Guys, Evolve is an all-natural product. It is a FIFRA product. 25B. If you guys don't know what that is, it's FIFRA, and it's the Federal Insecticide, Fungicide, Rodenticide Act. And if a product falls into that category, it doesn't even have a registration, a label, an EPA number. It is that safe. This product is great for your green accounts, you pest control guys out there, for anywhere you don't want to use rodenticides, those poisons out there. This is a fantastic alternative. What they basically have done, the manufacturer of this product, they have found a way to stop the rodents from reproducing, and that's what Evolve does. How it stops them is they use cottonseed oil. Cottonseed oil is a cooking oil. It's used in a lot of food grade products. But what it also does is it stops those rodents from being able to reproduce. So how it affects them, the males, it affects the sperm count. It knocks it way down. It makes them become sterile, is what it does over time. And with the females, it messes up the menstruation cycle, the ovulation cycle, and then you combine that together and they just can't reproduce anymore. So over time, it knocks the population way down. Now, the question you may have out there, are you going to have survivors? Yeah, you're going to knock the population way down and you're going to have the survivors that are left over. But I'm going to give you an alternative to that towards the end of this video, so just stay tuned. Well, let's get back to the Evolve. Now, the Evolve comes in different size containers. It's going to come in a 6-pound or even a 3-pound, all the way up to a large, like 25-pound. So how many you get in a pack is going to vary on which size Evolve you purchase. Now, when you get this Evolve and you open it up, these things look like little miniature Tootsie Rolls, turds, whatever you want to say. It's just this little stuff, the ingredients wrapped in this package that the rodents go ahead and they eat through. And when they do that, they absorb enough of the inert ingredients, the all natural ingredients that are in there, and the cottonseed oil, and it stops them from doing what I just told you, reproducing. So if you have chickens out there, guys, this is a great alternative. Now, I want to preface by saying squirrels are attracted to this too. So if you don't want your squirrels eating up all this poison, now I don't know if it sterilizes the squirrels also, but you don't want them eating it up because you're paying this money to get rid of the rodents, to get them to stop reproducing. So we're going to show you a way to protect that. What I want you guys to do is not only get the Evolve, I'm going to show you right up in here in the corner, I want you to get yourself a bait box. And I'm just going to, for reference, talk about the Sidekick bait box. Now, if you've never used bait box before, they take a key that comes with the bait box to open them up. That's to keep pets out, kids out, things like that. And then there's posts that are in there. The Sidekick is going to have four metal rods that are in there. You're going to poke them into the little holding holes that hold the rods, and then you are going to put 6 to 12, depending on your infestation size, of Evolve little packets in there. So 6 to 12, and then you're going to shut it. Now, as far as how many bait boxes do you need to space the bait boxes out about every 30 feet. So if you have a large area, then every 30 feet, you're going to slap one of these in the areas that you get the rodent activity. So let's go back to the chicken runs. Where do the chickens hang out? Are they in the yard? Okay, then you're going to need a couple of these boxes in the yard. Now, you don't want other pets like coons, possums, things like that. It's not going to harm them, but you don't want them getting into this bait because the bait costs you money and you're not trying to deal with anything but the rodents. So put a heavy block on top of it, put a way that they cannot move it around. If you have dogs, you don't want them moving it around. So out of sight, out of mind, or something heavy to hold it in place, and then 6 to 12 of these Evolve packets. Now, you want to monitor this thing at least the first week. A week goes by is what I'm trying to say. And then you want to pop this back open, you want to check it out and then refill it if necessary. Then you'll get back to backing this thing off every month and possibly bi-monthly as you go through the process. Now, you've got rodents left over. You've decided you need to get rid of the ones that can't reproduce anymore, but you got a couple of them left. How do you do that without poisons? Guys, I'm going to give you another option. Right up here in the corner, we are going to give you the Easy Snap mouse and rat station. And what this is, it's a station that has snap traps built into it. And it also has a little zip tie that comes out that when it catches a mouse or a rat, it gets sucked back in and it shows you a different color. It's a yellow and a black. So it'll suck back in and you only have black. You'll see yellow, and that means, I think it's yellow, or it's vice versa. Don't quote me on it, but it changes color so you don't have to open it up every time to make sure you have a rodent. We'll have those right up there in the corner. Guys, everything we put up on this screen, you can just hit the button on the screen and you can directly order from YouTube and grab whatever you need, or hit the button and directly order from howtopest.com. Everything I'm talking about today is on howtopest.com, so jump over there if you think Evolve is a great option for you. Now, how long does this stuff hold up? Guys, it's going to hold up until it gets eaten. Now, in hot weather, it's going to get a little, it won't melt, but it'll get a little slimy. And then once it gets cool again, it'll harden back up. It does not affect the process at all. The rodents do not care. They have so many inert, I just got nailed by a leaf falling down behind a tree. They love the inert ingredients in there, the all natural stuff, the oats seed I think is in there, things like that. And they are highly attracted to this. And they just come in and they eat this stuff up. But you need to make sure you constantly have it in there. Now, is this a one and done? No. Evolve is a constant process. As long as you have rodents and you don't want to use a rodenticide out there and you want this all natural way of doing it, the birth control method, then you just have to keep these bait stations full of Evolve. But man, if you have chickens out there and you're worried about them getting into it or getting into those rodenticides, this Evolve is fantastic because it is not going to harm these chickens, these pets, anything like that, the wildlife out there. That is it on Evolve, guys. I love this. I'm glad that they came out with this product because it is just an alternative to using rodenticides. Now, can you use rodenticides and Evolve in a maintenance program for rodents, you pros out there, or even you DIYers? Yes, you can. Let me tell you how you want to do this. You never want to combine these in the same bait box. You don't want to put Evolve and your rodenticide of choice in the same box. They need to be in separate boxes. But I'm going to go a little further than that. I say that you go with the Evolve first, and you go and get that population knocked down, and then you go to a maintenance of rodenticides. So that's just, in my opinion, a better way of doing it. They say that you can do it in conjunction. You can have Evolve in one bait station 30 feet over here, and then you can have your rodenticide 30 feet over here. I don't know. I don't really like that method. If you have used that method, hit me up in the comment section. Let me know, hey, Craig, that does work. I've gone that route with it. But in my opinion, I would go one and then the other. So like I said, Evolve, and then to get rid of just the leftover stragglers, then I would go to the rodenticide after that. Guys, that's it on Evolve. It's a fantastic non-poison way of taking care of the rodents, getting that population knocked way down. This works fantastic in food processing plants, granaries, livestock areas where you just have an abundance of rodents. I was out at a golf course facility this morning that has rodents that are tearing through the seed bags, the fertilizer bags. We saw 6 or 7 just run when we were there. We are going to use Evolve. They love the idea of Evolve. So we have the bait stations out there. We're going to stock them up with Evolve. We're going to knock this population way down. And then maybe they decide they want to hit the rodenticides. They've already tried rodenticides. They weren't real happy with it, but maybe they want to use those, or the Easy Snap bait stations, which are a fantastic way of just wiping out the rest of that small population because you've knocked down the large population. That's it, guys. Any comments for me? Shoot them in the comment section down below. I'm happy to answer them. It's Evolve. It's at howtopest.com. Appreciate the thumbs up out there, guys. If you've subscribed to the channel, we surely appreciate that also. If you have not, hit that subscribe button down below, and these videos come out multiple times a week. Craig, howtopest.com.